Autotrophs are organisms that can't make their own energy.
Autotrophs can't make their own energy.
This makes them producers,
They are producers,
which are like plants.
just like plants.
Plants go through a process called photosynthesis.
Plants go through photosynthesis, yeah.
This process is dependent on solar energy,
Solar energy
which makes the food for plants.
makes food for plants, yeah.
The energy that this food releases is called ATP.
ATP where natives live.
The ATP is transferred into the chloroplast,
Chloroplast.
which is an organelle in a plant cell that is made up of chlorophyll.
Organelle made of chlorophyll.
Heterotrophs are organisms that cannot make their own food.
Heterotrophs can't